Oh, what's up, viewers? Just day 2 on O Nation. Just editing a video. What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2. Check out the new crib.
Good evening. Okay, well, we had a good day. Met Brandon, he chill. We went somewhere that had lots of Pioneer stuff and Temple. Went to Cortez, now that I think about it.
And we forgot the main part. Come check the view. Come in.
So many girls in swimsuits. Let's go.
Ready? 1, 2. The view.
There's the pool. There's Brigham. He in our room too. He was in last night's vlog. If you remember him, check his page out.
Everybody get this today. So we was eating Chick-fil-A. I took the cards into the trash can.
Score.
To get new ones.
Okay.
So I'll be your sound effect. You say something fire.
Max, you looking like a lizard. Okay, everybody. That's about all we're gonna talk about for today. You got any other news?
Yeah, these.
Oh, wait, we forgot one last thing. You'll never believe what's in our fridge.
Wait.
Tune in next time to find out.